Yeah,
Okay.
there you go.
So this project was a combination of art and physics, mostly. This is weird.
You get
Having
used
like
to it.
structural engineering and how it's implemented in not only buildings but like simple things like chairs. And the major math component of this is this like U shape. It's not really a parabola because of like just because of the shape. It's not like doesn't have a focal point. So we have to be able to calculate the slope along this every point of this line or this curve. And not only is it a U shape, but it's also lifted up. So if you look at it from the side, since it's tilted, it adds another dimension. So not only do we have to analyze it in an X and Y plane, but we also have to analyze it in an X, Y, and Z plane. So that we haven't really calculated that yet, but we're kind of on the verge of doing that. So we're just taking the measurements right now and seeing how we can plot that in another program. So that's kind of what we're doing. As far as the art component, what we did is we've taken this concept of postmodernism, which is taking something that's already been done and kind of incorporating your own sort of personal characteristics into the artwork. And the design that we took was from Crate & Barrel. It's just like your typical furniture store. And it kind of had a modern look right now. If you look at it, it has a lot of the straight lines and kind of not traditional feel. However, we wanted to make it our own by putting in a frame here and carving out curves and stuff, kind of like your old-fashioned like bed frame or like a king's chair, how it has like those nice curves. So we wanted to have that curves all out here, so it kind of be like a stencil, like someone cut out curves. So we think that would be really cool.
Creates a kind of softness.
Yeah.
That invites you to sit in the chair.
Yeah.
What programs will you graph that in?
We used Geometry Sketchpad, so we started off using that to calculate the basic shapes, but we still have to work on how we're going to do the extra dimension. But we did our proof models online. This is Google SketchUp. This is to scale also, but Google SketchUp, since it's kind of like an amateur program, we can't do all the things that we wanted to do.